So here we are again, top blocks, Runcorn Old Town. Going to take you to the end where this canal ends. Then what we'll do, we'll go for a walk and take the route like I did with the drone to where it'll go to and where it'll finish. So I'll just take you around, give it a little look. Obviously this is the top box. So when the old path towards the Runcorn Bridge, the road which would have run right across here, was gone, this would have been a big brick wall, so you wouldn't have got past here. So basically, this is where it's going to go to. So well, we can just send you to new heights. It's pretty much going to go along like that. That. So what we'll do now is we'll just walk back and then we'll go and walk the route the way it'll go. So a few years time when it's completed, boats will be able to carry on through down to the Manchester Ship Canal, hopefully. So we'll just continue the walk. I won't talk too much, only when I feel that you need some information of where we are. So enjoy the walk. Actually, I've got a little bit of information on the board here, which I didn't know was here. So you could pause that, it pretty much shows you where we're going to go. Where we're going to go to. So if you want to pause that and zoom in at some point, you can. So let's carry on. Any of you are familiar with 2 pints of lager and a pack of crisp? That's where that was filmed. So Runcorn Old Town. How good's that? Where the canal will go. So we'll make our way down there now. I'll see that's on the other side. So, Runcorn railway station over in the distance. And we'll make our way down. Hopefully we'll meet some of the volunteers today. So this is all new. This would not have been here. Years ago when the old road run through, just across there was like just a normal little footpath. But they've actually put all this in now, which is quite impressive. So down we go. So you can see from the distance there, I can't really zoom in, but you can see the bit of thing where the bridge actually, the road actually ended, where it joined the bridge. So it would have run right along here, all the way down, right across there, and then it's sort of like loop round then. So let's just get you back on track. I mean, I'm walking down the path. This isn't where the canal's going to be. The canal's going to run along that grass, and I believe they're putting a lift in, which is going to drop the canal boats from there down, obviously to get it underneath this railway. That's where I believe. So, but what I'll do, once we get under the railway, I'll walk the route where the canal will be. Hopefully I won't get my feet wet. Well, I won't now, but I will in a few years' time when it's done. So good old Duke's Field. So these houses on the left I mean, don't quote me. Sorry, train always comes when you don't want it to. I'll just hold off for a minute. So what I was saying, them houses there, I believe, were the old canal locks property of some sort. The gatemen or something like that. So this is where they started digging. This is like, it's what volunteers done last week, I believe. So we can pretty much see now, here we've got some lines where they're going to be doing some digging. And obviously that's up the top. So then we'll just walk down as if we're a boat and pretend we're chugging along. What I'll do, I won't do more than 5 miles per hour because I don't want to create too many waves in the water. So okay, so we're going to be going straight now, whereas the other day in my drone I sort of took you over to the left that way, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to come straight down where it'll be. I mean, I don't know to you, but to me this is fascinating. Here, I believe there's going to have to be a tunnel. So to get us from there, under this road will be a tunnel. Well, obviously years ago this road probably wasn't here. So, I'll tell you what, let you do some aerobics to get you over the fence. I'll have to go round it. So, if you pretty much look now, this is going to be the canal. So, I tell you, it's going to be some digging. Lots of digging. And then, down, just a little bit further down here, is where the marine's going to be. So I think there's an old style lamp from the canal maybe that's still there. Who knows? But yeah, on the right here is where the marine is going to be. So you come chugging along 5 miles per hour in your boat, not to upset the fishermen. And that's across here where the goalposts are, is where the marine will be. Really fascinating. I mean, there's a few of these lamps. I don't know if these were originals or these have been put in after. They look canal-y, don't they? They look like old Victorian times. Little cockapoo doing his exercises. Hello, little cockapoo. Are you coming for a tickle? Are you coming for a little tickle? Yeah, have you got your ball? Do you want me to throw your ball? No? Little cockapoo, he nearly went in the canal then, had it been a canal. So we like dogs as well on this channel. I don't want to disturb the route, and then we'll go back down. So here now on the left is the original old sandstone, which I believe would have formed the footpath. That's on the left and the right. It just fascinates me the way that how they've done it. Little bench there. Obviously that will go. More sandstone up the top, which would have formed the canal. So we'll just carry on walking down. I hope my breathing's not too heavy. I am consciously trying to obviously not breathe, not breathe, because I won't be able to continue the video. There, this would have formed part of a lock. Obviously not the can. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll move the can and we'll scrap that into a bin when I pass one. So, and this is basically now all the side walls of the canal. The only thing I'm thinking now, these lamps mustn't have been here originally because they'd have been in the canal. So I think they're an afterthought that have been put in after. But this is all the way along the sandstone now, which would have been the footpath.
Where it narrows, that would have been the lock.
Yeah. Yeah, so these little bits here, obviously where it's getting thinner would have been obviously the locks. I don't want to repeat what's being said, but I'll just, in case you couldn't pick it up on the mic, some more of the footpath. So, another little doggy. Another bit more rubbish. Let's grab that. Put that in the bin. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. I like your top. Proper football top there, you see. Right, so we're carrying on down here. I hope I find a bin shortly. Oh, because I'm getting my hands a little bit full. So right, this again now is where they're going to need to do a tunnel. So if I come over to this bit, X marks the spot. I just don't want to be walking on someone's property. Yep, I will be. So what we're going to do, this will be a tunnel. So I'll have to cross over here. Safety first. Letting me go, thank you. So then this, again, if we just look, will put us back on track again. See, I can't be 100% sure what they're going to do here because, see, that's it's just going to come right underneath here and down. I mean, this red car and van will have to move at some point because it'll get a bit wet. So, and then, obviously, once that van's out the way, we just come down and then we're continuing straight down here then. Which brings us all the way down. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and dispose of my rubbish that I've picked up on the way. And then we'll get ourselves back on track. So, continuing again. See, you couldn't really see this bit on the drone because obviously the trees are in the way. See more leftover bits of sandstone there and there. Sorry for making you dizzy as well. So like all these flats here and all these flats over there and all these houses wouldn't have been here. They've all been built afterwards. So obviously I think they probably built them in mind that, we can't go this way, it's just, I'm just running too much nature, too many spiders, so we'll just come back out. I don't want to break their home. You just come down. Hopefully a bit more information. You want to just pause on that and have a little read. And then that's where it'll drop into. Straight down there. Let's go along here. So you can see bits of a lock there. Just bring you along. And then obviously it just goes out there onto the Manchester Ship Canal. Just like that. So thanks for watching. I'm going to make my way back up now. I won't film going back because it's pretty much the same as coming down. If you want a video going back up, I can always come back and do it again. So thanks for watching. If you do like this video content, please like, maybe subscribe to my channel. If you've got any comments, any questions, just put them in the comments and I can find out for you and get back to you. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye bye.